Hey, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to take your Canva designs and turn them into emails for email marketing. This is going to help you optimize your designs as well as your time when it comes to marketing for email. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up Canva and pick any design that you have created. With the picking the design, you want to make sure that you pick something that has some type of text in it in order for it to be the most accurate. Once you have a design open, you're going to go to Magic Switch, and from here you're going to select transform into doc, and as you see, it gives you a few options here. We're going to select email, and then from here you're going to hit the transform into doc button, and it's going to do its thing. It's going to basically write you an email newsletter based off of what it sees inside of your document. So we're going to give it a second to finish creating the email. And voila. So we're going to open doc. And as you can see, it has written a complete email just based off of what it read and saw on your flyer design. So it created a subject line for you, actually wrote the entire email out for you, as well as the signature. So now you can take this email and put it into any of your email newsletter software like your MailChimp or Fluent, and send out emails to your audience without having to do any additional work with writing or trying to get your messaging to match up with your social media.